Hi, my name's Brooke, and I was born in Rochester, Minnesota. Grew up around the area. I have a daughter. She is 3.5. Something that got me interested in the glass industry kind of does have a lot to do with my daughter. She has had 8 open heart surgeries, and I was a stay-at-home mom for 2.5 years. Got back into the workforce at a hotel. Was doing housekeeping, front desk work, a lot of second shifts, struggling to find daycare for my daughter at that point in time. Saw an opening for Premier Auto Glass and decided to take a jump and try it. It was Monday through Friday, occasional weekends, perfect hours for my schedule. Some of my fears switching from the hotel to the auto glass industry was obviously the big thing. Well, I'm a girl, am I going to be able to do all this stuff with these guys and accomplish the day-to-day things that need to be done? Am I going to be strong enough to be able to lift these windshields, use the equipment, things like that? But as I've worked here a little longer, that's becoming easier and easier. Everybody's been super helpful teaching me, remaining patient. Something that I love about the glass industry is we're never in the same spot. Every day we're out and about, meeting new people, driving different places, different vehicles all the time. So it definitely keeps the job interesting.